Right. Now, perfect. Some bites. Now we need something with actual zenith metal screws. 6. Roofing, cladding, cladding class 3. Okay. That might be good. Now you wanna, now see how it says 30 mil, okay? What you wanna do, you get your tape measure out. You get 30 mil on this. Now, 30 mil is where it says 30. Now you put that on your wood. So something like that. And there's gonna be a piece of wood up against it like that. $30 mil is not gonna be enough bite. Let's go 40 mil. And let's go 40. No, 40. Let's go 40. Let's go 45. See that? It says 45. 45. So you want that? That's gone. Come on. This is interesting. 45. See that? Big bite, that one's you still here? Because it says no one's on the live stream here. So everyone disappeared on me because it's boring. I hope it's not the case. Maybe less on screw heads. Maybe some screws. Titanium heads or something like that. What do you think, like a 45 head or something? Or no, wood screws. Right. Like a 45 head. Yep, forget it. Just get a 45 mil. Honestly, just pre-drill the hole big enough so you don't screw bound the thing to death. So you don't split the wood. Let's just go. Let's just plan this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 3 levels, right? 1, and there, and there. Can I actually draw?